Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I am at beautiful Lake Eola in downtown Orlando, just walking around this lake and getting videos of different looks that I am especially fond of. This look is a multi-trunk Reclinata palm. By the way, all Reclinata palms are multi-trunk. This has, let me see, 4, 8, 10, 12, looks like 13 or 14 trunks. These are very wide, very spread out. This is not a tree that we can move successfully from one location to another unless it stays on the property. This is too wide to transport. However, we have Reclinata palms. And if this is a look you like and you want one of these, give us a call and we'll bring you one.